So basically, the battery in my Tile Sport has died, and I don't fancy paying another 30 quid for a tile because they're expensive. So I'm basically going to open this tile up, replace the battery, and then seal it, and then hopefully it should work. So yeah, so that's what I'm about to do now. So just to let you guys know, I have replaced the battery on this tile, and this part here it connects the battery, and if that part of the device isn't actually touching the battery, that means that you could say the little motherboard or the functioning board won't actually work, and that means that the tile won't work, and the tile won't respond with the app on your phone or your computer. So it's really important to sort of put a bit of pressure on this part of the metal which touches the battery, and then sort of test it by putting a bit of a notification on your mobile and stating, this tile is missing, and then obviously by pressing down on the bit of metal which touches the battery, if it's working, then that's your way of actually testing this device. And then in regards to packing it down, what I'm going to be using is I'm going to be using something called it's Sugru, and it's like a black putty. You can get it in multicolours, and it basically bonds the material together. So I think I might do that not in the inside but on the very outside of the Pro Sport tile, because it is actively being used. I take it to the gym and all sorts. So yeah, I'm going to be using Sugru around my tile, and hopefully that'll work. So thanks for popping into my YouTube channel. As you might know, that I'm a beekeeper, so I'm going to be posting mainly beekeeping stuff, but I just thought this would help the tile community save a bit of money, but also know how to actually change battery on a device like this, and sort of I guess being eco-friendly by not buying more plastic. So bye for now, and I will hopefully see you soon.